Hello guys, this is a tutorial on how to install the game Deus Ex Human Revolution Director's Cut. It was just released. A lot of people like it and I'm gonna show you how to install it. I have put the download link for the game down below in the description so you can download the game from there. And when you have already done that, open Daemon Tools and click Add Image. Then go to the folder where you have downloaded the game and select this ISO file and click Open and select it. Then click Mount. Wait a little bit and click Run Setup. You need to wait a little bit again, and here you'll need to click Browse and go to computer and go to this one and click crack and OK. Oh, my mistake. Just click it. Just click that. Click OK and OK. OK again. I'll stop the music. There's a music on the installation process, so you can play it or stop it, whatever you like. Then click Next. Here you can change the folder where the game will be installed. I'm gonna change it, and I'm gonna put it right here. Click Next when you're ready with this, and you can check or uncheck these, but I'm gonna leave them like this. And go to Next, and these are the info about the installation, where's the destination folder and additional tasks. Click Install, and this will take about 5-10 minutes. It's really fast. So the installation process is completed. Click Finish, and the last step is to go to Computer. So mine is here. Go to the folder right here. Then go again to Computer and right click on this, then Open and Crack. Select these items and copy them and paste them in the direction folder, destination folder right here. Paste them, copy and replace again and continue. So you will start the game from here. Thanks for watching guys. I hope you find this video helpful. So I'm gonna upload gameplay on this game too. So thanks for watching guys. Bye.